Is my camera rolling? Hey y'all, it's me, Kamari Banks. I'm back with another video. It's the top of 2024. What is today? It's January 20th. I'm 20 days in. And I told myself, you gotta keep that same energy, keep that same consistency. So I'm back with another video. It's a review video. And I'm sure y'all have read that title, seen that thumbnail. But first off, if you new, welcome. If you old, welcome back. For all my new subscribers, thank y'all. I done made it to 200. I'm sorry, but that's an accomplishment for me. It really is. I think I'm sitting at 215 right now too, so. But I'm gonna hop straight into my video. With no further ado, I'm back with the review. As y'all can see, I have a Glamaholic bag, another Glamaholic bag. And before I get into this review, go watch my last Glamaholic bag review. It's sitting at about 980 right now. In views, I needed at 1,000 views. Anyway, I have another Glamaholic lifestyle bag. This time, I got a different bag. The first review was a flat bag. Go watch it. This one, I'm going to just hop straight into it. I already unboxed it. I kind of looked at it, but I ain't really look at it. So I ain't going to act like it's new to me seeing it, but I ain't really took it out and did everything. So, here is the small platinum. I think it's considered platinum. Yep, small platinum Monogram mini bucket bag. Let me take it out the plastic for y'all. Pull it out the plastic. And I did put this on here when I looked at it. So this didn't come attached, but I did attach this. This is it's considered the mini bucket. Is that what I said? Here's the mini bucket. Small, mini, whatever. And it came with this. Like I said, this was not put on here. It give you the option to putting it on here or not. So it comes with 2 straps. And then I have another one for the crossbody. Let's take it. And I'm guessing it go like this. Okay. Here we go, y'all. This is the Platinum Mini bucket bag. Right now, I don't have no shape to mine. It's a bucket bag. It's a bucket bag. Glamaholic Mirai bucket bag. Inside, it got a pocket with a zip. And it got another little pocket. Then, I think I'm going to take this one off. I think this one is in the way. Let's take this one off. Y'all, I've been eyeing this bag for a minute. And right now, I'm on a big saving journey. I got some big stuff coming, but I'm saving. So I ain't really bought nothing. But I've been eyeing this bag. And have y'all ever just like felt like you ain't bought yourself nothing a long time? And you kind of be feeling, I don't know, I get the feeling some type of way. So after so long, I had to buy myself something. And I just decided to get the bucket. So this is it. I think I got to adjust these straps. Let me see. This is where it's hitting me. I think I wanted it to hit a little shorter. Here go these drawstrings. And that's what make it look like a bucket. So yeah, I want it to hang a little lower. So I'm gonna adjust my straps. Overall quality is just like the quality of the flat bag. It has the G's monogrammed on the outside. It don't have a snap close. I think I would have still wanted this to snap close, because this ain't gonna stay closed, I don't think. It might. But I still think the snap would have kind of kept it together. But let me adjust these straps to try to see how it's gonna hit on me. Cause I'm short, but I don't be wanting my purses to hit all up too high. So like, we're gonna do it to this. Me and never disappoint either, y'all. Like, oh, I think I shortened it. Yeah, shortened it. Hold on. We don't want it shorter, we want it longer. I'm gonna go to this hole, this second hole from bottom. Actually, I think I'm going first hole from bottom. Because I kind of know where I want mine to hit at. I really do. I guess this about the lowest it's gonna hit, y'all. So this is it. I ain't got nothing in it. I ain't carried it yet. I'm a silver girl. I know like some of y'all might be gold girls. Some of y'all might be silver girls. I'm a silver girl, so I love a silver. Well, I love silver hardware on my purse, but to have a silver purse as well, platinum silver, she did her big one. So this one is the mini. She has a medium, she has a large, and then she has the extra large and the bucket bag. But I wanted the small or mini because small bags are in. I don't be wanting no big bag no more. I done downsized from my wallet to everything. So I don't be having much I'm putting in my purse. I like to travel light now because on an average day I have my work bag, 2 phones, coffee. It just be too much. So to have a crossbody to free my hands up, plus my telly on my shoulder for my work bag, I be wanting to downsize. So y'all, of course, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. Mia Ray did her big one with this one, but she never disappoints. Like, I ain't never seen a glam bag that I was just like, nah, she did too much, or nah, that wasn't it, or something wasn't right. Like, she kind of, I could tell she take her time and really, they well thought out. Every product she dropped is well thought out. Well, I definitely get this a 10 out of 10. Quality 10 out of 10. Style 10 out of 10. Comfortability on the shoulder 10 out of 10. Go get y'all one. I ain't even gonna like hype this bag up. For the women who know, and if y'all don't, I just hipped y'all. Mia Ray glam bags, they are in. This is like the new black girl luxury designer, especially for the Midwest right now. Like, she done took over the Midwest for sure. Y'all ain't heard about them, go do your own research. Don't just take it from me. I'm the type that always like to do my own research. Like, I don't know, I just like to self-educate for myself. Like, people can tell me something, but I'm gonna go do my research, look it up myself, and then create my own opinion on things. But this bag, 10 out of 10. Go get you one, Mia. I finally got my small mini bucket. You did your big one with it, girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all let me know which ones y'all got. What's y'all favorite? Have y'all got some of her luggage? What else do y'all have? Do y'all have the makeup bag, the wallets, the wristlets? What else y'all got? The fanny pack? I'm looking at a fanny pack now. Probably for summer though. But y'all comment down below. Tell me y'all experience, how y'all like it, etc., etc. I'm out of here. I ain't gonna make this video no more than 10 minutes.